We're now going to look at the find maximum, find minimum standard algorithm. The algorithm searches through, each algorithm searches through a list to find the maximum value. In this instance, that would be 107, and the minimum value is 1. We have two variables, min, max, which will hold the values. Now, we have assigned min equals minimum value in the list, and we have assigned maxi equals the maximum value in the list. Print min, print maxi. So we should have 1 followed by 107 if the program works correctly. Let's run the program, and there we have our two values. Notice that these are predefined functions, min and max. A predefined function is code written to save the programmer time. Now, the problem with this is that it does not give us a good example of the algorithm, but this Scratch program here does. We have several variables: max value, min value, found and index. Found is the index number where we find the maximum or minimum value. When clicked, set max value to item 1, 23. For the length, using the index set to 0, and it changes by 1 each time to scroll 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to the end of the list. If item index of list is greater than max value, then set max value to item index of list 1. Set found to index. S34 greater than 23, yes, becomes the max value. Is 56 greater than 34? Yes. And so on until we get to 89 is greater than 78, yes. So 89 will become the comparator. Is it greater than 1? Yes. Is it greater than 11? Yep. We're looking for max value is 89 and found 8. We'll just run this, and there it is. When we press the space key, we're doing the exact same. Minimum value to item 123, and scrolling through the list again, except with the max value we use the operator greater than, the boolean operator, and with the minimum it is less than. We want to find the minimum value in the list, which of course is 1, and it's found at item 9. Let's try that and press the space bar. The minimum value is 1, and it's found at position 9. I think we'll run this full screen just to see how it works. We press the green flag and it sorted out the maximum value, position found 8. We press the space bar and the minimum value it says is 1, found at position 9, and the program seems to be okay. Let's close that and have a quick look at the pseudocode. Here we have the max value. Remember, if it was minimum value, this would be a less than operator. Here's our list. Set max value to 1. In this instance we have said the max value is going to be 1. Set index to 0. We're using a for loop for count equals 1 to the length of list 1. If item index is greater than max value, set max value to item index. Set index to index plus 1. We have set max value to 1. Is 5 greater than 1? Yes. Set max value to 5 and set index to index plus 1 moves it on to 7. Is 7 greater than 5? Yes. That becomes max value. Is 3 greater than 7? No. Is 9 greater than 7? Yes. That then takes the max value, and we continue on through the list. Remember, if we open the for loop, we end the for loop. For, end for, send max value to display, pretty much the same as saying print max value, or in Scratch it would say max value is, and it would have the value of the variable. Remember, The key terms in pseudocode are in capital letters. Enjoy max values and minimum values, sorry.